Okay, so we're going to take a look at how to erase files in children using tables. And what I've done is I've kind of set up this little example that just opens up the speaker assembly, creates a table, and writes out all the PRT files that are in that file. Um, Actually, let's change this to just report all of the assemblies. There's only one assembly here, but we'll at least get it into a table format so we can work with it. So we have this assembly file that's here, and if we come in and we just do a simple erase file, um, and we give it the table name for that. Oop, my table. When we run this, you'll notice that it will erase the uh, the assembly that's there, but it leaves all the parts that are a component of that in session. So if we change this command to say and children, now when we rerun this process, you can see it's opened the speaker, it's written out the contents to there, which is just the assembly name of what was loaded in session. And now if we come to our in session, you see that all the child models have been removed. Now if we come in and let's open up let's say another demo file. Let's take a look at this E-ring here. So let's go ahead and run this, but we're gonna leave this model in session here. So we're gonna open up the speaker, run the erase process. Now, if we go to our in session, we should see, in fact, that E-ring is still in session.